context clues. We have 5 sentences. We need to read the 5 sentences, and in each sentence there is an underlined word. We need to figure out the meaning of the underlined word using context clues, which is in this case similes. So we need to look into each sentence looking for similes that would help us to know the meaning of the underlined word. In the chat box, type down what did you understand by analogy? What does analogy mean to you? The assignment or the weekly assignment. It has the credit of 10 points. It will be uploaded to Edmodo. Once your teacher tells you to go to Edmodo and do the assignment, go to Edmodo and start working on the assignment. Create a vocabulary journal or an activity to teach your classmates at least 10 new words from the selection. You can use PowerPoint or Prezi or any other program to do this assignment. You have a story, The Snapping Turtle. You need to go through the story and to look for 10 words that you like, and you need to come up with a way or an activity or a PowerPoint presentation, anything that you like, to help you explain and elaborate and teach your classmates these 10 new words. You will be recording that activity using a video, and you will upload that video to Edmodo in the assignment. Include one sentence with a simile and one with an analogy in the examples that you will be using the 10 words in. You have more than one activity to choose from. You need to choose only one. Name it. Use a dictionary to explain the words. Include the definition, part of speech, synonym, and antonym. Explain the words in your own words and in at least 3 creative ways. Write your own sentences to show the meanings of the words. Include one sentence with a simile and one with an analogy. Create an activity to teach the words to your classmates and send a video made by you playing the game and explaining the new words. By the game, we mean the activity or the way that you will explain these 10 new words to your classmates. So we have name it, explain it, connect it, and teach it. Choose one of these, only one, the one that you like, and prepare an activity, prepare even a journal about this way, and take a video of yourself and upload it to Edmodo. In the chat box, write a sentence with any one of the words you learned yesterday. We mean the new vocabulary words. You need to present your assignments online. Choose any one of the following and write a message and send it through MS Teams to your teacher. I have mastered 4 new ideas and techniques that can help me during my online learning journey. I learned new ways that can help go through the online journey just fine. I learned new ways that can help, but I still feel I need help to go through the online learning journey. I am lost and I don't know what to do. Choose the sentence that applies to you and type it down in the chat box so your teacher would know your status and your situation in the whole online learning process as feedback so that we could help you. Homework. If you haven't read the selection, read it please. The story, The Snapping Turtle. Read the novel chapters 21 to 22 and work on Raz Kids.